Looking to boost your career as a forklift operator? At 4KS Forklift Training, we offer the Combined RTITB or AITT Accredited Counterbalance and Reach Truck course, a program designed to give you 2 certifications in just one course. Let's take a closer look at what this course offers and why it's the perfect choice for your career growth. Our combined course includes RTITB or AITT accredited training on both counterbalance and reach trucks. You'll start with theory sessions, covering safety regulations, load handling, and equipment maintenance. Then, you'll move on to practical training, where you'll gain hands-on experience operating both types of lift trucks in real-world scenarios. So, why choose the combined course? First, you'll earn 2 accredited certifications, making you a versatile and highly employable operator. Second, employers value operators who can handle multiple types of lift trucks, which means better job opportunities and the potential for higher pay. Plus, you'll save time and money compared to taking 2 separate courses. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what our trainees have to say about their experience at 4KS Forklift Training.
Hi, my name's Jessica Bailey. I recently completed a combined counterbalance and reach training with 4KS Training Centre. Instructors were fantastic. They made sure I understood everything, from the theory to the practical skills. By the end of the course, I felt confident operating both types of lift trucks. Now I've got 2 certificates on my CV, and I'm ready to take on new job opportunities. I'd definitely recommend the course to anyone looking to boost their career.
Hello, my name's Jack Knight. I've just completed my forklift training at 4KS Forklift Training. The instructors and everyone's polite, everyone makes you feel welcome when you come here. If anyone is recommended to do the forklift training, I'd advise you to come to this place. Over the last 4 days, it's been brilliant, no problems at all. The forklifts and everything, mechanical wise, perfect. So yeah, thumbs up from me.
Hi, I'm Richard. I just completed my training here on reach and counterbalance at 4KS Training. All the staff were pleasant and great. Very informative, went into great detail in all the exercises, really helps me through it. I really recommend everybody sign up to 4KS if this is the future for you. I can see why they won the MHE Award of 2024.
Ready to take the next step in your career? Enroll in our combined RTITB or AITT Counterbalance and Reach Truck course today. Visit our website or contact us to book your spot. At 4KS Forklift Training, we're here to help you succeed.